Have you ever wondered why some people can stay slim, no matter how much they eat? Or why you find it increasingly difficult to lose weight as you age? After all, your eating habits are more or less the same, but the pounds keep piling on more and more easily. The answer to these questions can be answered in one word: your metabolism. Okay, that's 2 words, but you get the point. Your body's metabolic rate will determine how many calories you burn at rest and how fast you lose weight. The best way to speed up your weight loss and maintain a lower weight will be to ramp up your metabolism. There are a few ways to do this. High-intensity exercise, intermittent fasting, heavyweight training, and more have all been shown to boost your metabolic rate. However, the foods you eat can increase your metabolism too. Ginger, coffee, tea, chili peppers, and many other foods have been shown to have a positive effect on your metabolism. But constantly finding these different foods and consuming them can be a time-consuming hassle. That's probably why Metabofix has seen a surge in popularity ever since it first hit the market. With thousands of bottles sold, it's not going anywhere anytime soon. While there are many metabolism booster supplements out there, most can't come close to Metabofix in terms of sales and popularity. So we decided to take a closer look at this supplement to see if it actually delivered results. This is what we found. The biggest selling point of Metabofix is that it helps you lose weight because it ramps up your metabolism. This is not an untested theory. Studies have shown that people with a higher metabolism not only burn off calories faster, but they're less likely to gain weight. Metabofix will put you in this win-win state. This product is an online bestseller with thousands of bottles sold and many positive reviews from satisfied customers. This is all the social proof you need to trust the product. The ingredients used in Metabofix are potent and all-natural. There are no reported cases of side effects because it's very safe to consume. The supplement is manufactured in an FDA-approved facility. Here's the list of ingredients used in this proprietary blend: cherry, carrot, papaya, shilajit extract, and more. From the ingredients shown above, you can tell that this mix is rich in antioxidants that will not only help you shed pounds, but also boost your immunity. This is very important because when you're dieting and exercising, the toll on your body will lower your immunity and make you more susceptible to flu and other infections. Metabofix will help to raise your immunity and keep you healthy until you shed all your stubborn pounds. The creator of this product, Matt Sterling, is a nutrition coach and knows his stuff. He has another product, Carbofix, and that's an online bestseller too. He's a legitimate and proven vendor, which gives this product even more credibility. Besides boosting your metabolism, Metabofix blocks fat absorption too. This is brilliant and prevents weight gain. While not a main benefit of Metabofix, you'll notice that your ability to focus and concentrate will improve too. This is due to the antioxidants in Metabofix, which will detox your body. You'll have more mental clarity and brain fog will be prevented or diminished. Metabofix is easy to consume. All you'll need to do is mix a spoonful of it in water and drink it in the morning. It takes less than a minute. This is far more convenient than juicing vegetables and fruit, which can be quite a hassle. Furthermore, you'll get even more nutrients with Metabofix because it's very difficult to store so many ingredients in your home just for juicing. Oh, and it's cheaper to just take a supplement than buy a ton of groceries. Which brings us to the next point. Upon first glance, a bottle of Metabofix can seem a little pricey at $69 a bottle. But ideally, you should be consuming this supplement for at least 60 days to really see and feel a visible difference. When you order a 3 or 6 bottle pack, you'll enjoy quite a hefty discount. The 180-day supply, 6 bottles, will bring the price down to $49 a bottle. That's $1.63 a day. Very affordable when you look at it that way. Always remember that Metabofix is an investment in your health. Last but not least, Metabofix is covered by a full 60-day money-back guarantee. Zero risk here for you. Try it out, and if you're dissatisfied, you can always ask for a refund. You'll probably see such positive results that you'll be back for more. Oh, it has very fast shipping too. What more can you ask for? While Metabofix will help boost your metabolism, it's not a substitute for exercise. You'll want to also engage in resistance training and high-intensity interval training to boost your resting metabolic rate. Metabofix is a complement to a good training regimen and will help to accelerate your weight loss, but it's not a one-stop solution. You'll also need to be at a caloric deficit to lose weight, even if you're on Metabofix. This is the cardinal rule of weight loss. And as effective as the supplement is, if you're consuming more calories than you burn, you will gain weight. Overall, if you're feeling sluggish and need more energy, Metabofix will help you. If you're struggling to lose weight because your metabolism is slower than one snail attending another snail's funeral, Metabofix will help you. If you lack concentration and find it hard to focus, Metabofix has your name written all over it. Get Metabofix and enjoy all the benefits it brings. You can thank yourself later. Click my link below to see their website, where you'll be able to purchase Metabofix. I'm Ophelia, and I hope you found this review helpful.